What's going on, YouTube? Just wanted to throw a quick video out here for you, and you know, we got the Zephyr torn down here pretty good, but just wanted to show we had a little bit of issue with boost control, and just want to show you exactly what happened and what some of you guys, if you've ever heard the term pinched diaphragm, torn diaphragm, cut diaphragm, the diaphragm in your wastegate. I'm sure there's a ton of videos on Facebook and YouTube and everywhere about this, but just want to show you my personal experience of what's going on. Let me show you what I got here. This is my freezer full of parts here, but this, what we used was an On3 Performance gate. I got these from a friend of mine, no big deal. He had them on a car, was running fine. I had them for over a year, and threw this one on there because it already was drilled for the 2 ports for the map sensor for the boost leash. So threw it on there, no problem. First outing, didn't really get into enough boost to matter. Second outing, it made a lot of boost. Realized that my lines were messed up. Third outing, it made too much boost again, didn't really control it. And so he's like, okay, we got an issue. So open this thing up, and this was what I found. This would be the definition of a pinched diaphragm. Whenever I got it, whenever I opened it up, it looked like this right here. This was with everything pushed down in here where it needs to be. This one was like this right here. This side, this whole lip, if you can see that, this whole lip is just pushed where it can just, the moment any boost pressure came in this port, because the way this is designed, this port goes straight to the compressor housing, and it pushes boost into here, which pushes against the spring. And if it goes above 6 pounds, it opens this valve up down here, which you can't really see, but opens that up in there, lets exhaust gases out, which controls the boost. So when you have this and it pushes air in here and the boost comes out of here, that means that this never opens. This is just gonna fly right out of here. Whereas this one, this was the second one of the kit, or of the 2 that I bought from him. And as you can see, this one all the way around, not pinched, looks great, looks perfect. And so, and you can flip this one all the way up like this and see that this one was in a lot better condition. I mean, it's still, you know, getting older. So don't know if I'm gonna go ahead and just throw this one back. I can just put this top on this, and I may do that since it's already set up for it. But yes, so that's what happens. And what it did is it made 20 pounds of boost. And 20 pounds of boost, even though we had conservative timing with the head issue that we had, it decided to fry that gasket up. So we're now to this point, heads are coming off, and we're gonna send them off, have them checked, see if it was what the issue was. Could have been leaning out. I mean, that's a lot of boost for what it was. So it could have been leaning out, unfortunately. But so if you ever run into an issue where, you know, your wastegate isn't wanting to work, doesn't feel like you're able to control the boost very good, check this right here. Check and see. You know, these are the springs. These springs aren't crazy. I mean, they're 6 pound springs. I can easily push them down, and so they should have been opening up rather easily. But when all of your boost is coming out of these ports, you know, this thing won't even sit down in here right. And you can see up here, up underneath, actually it is trying to tear right now, how one way you can show is this right here. See how one side, this is pinched. This is considered a pinched gasket. So fun. So yeah, I am gonna get this head off of this side, check this head gasket, and I've already got head gaskets, intake gaskets all ordered, and hopefully be back up and running here before too long, so we can get some testing in. I'm getting sick and tired of putting it together, though, of taking it apart and putting it together. But that's going to be it for this video. Just wanted to show you something quick and something simple here. If you have issues with your boost, check your wastegates, open them up, take the springs out, make sure everything's working properly, and put them back in there, and maybe you'll save yourself some headache in the long run. So that's going to be it for this video. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.